This is Shraddha Bansal with Kriti Bansal reporting from UPS Newsroom. Let's have a quick glance at the headlines. An investiture ceremony was organized for the session 2024-25. School premises filled with joyful Independence Day celebrations. One Mahotsav was celebrated with enthusiasm and green initiatives. UPS hosted installation ceremony of Rotary Club. The school organized a two Model United Nations Conference 2.0 on 18th and 19th July. Krishna Janmashtami was celebrated with pomp and festivity. The school celebrated Hindi Divas to propagate the language. A workshop on attitudinal changes was organized for class 8th. NCC cadets excelled in comprehensive training at NCC Bhavan Rohini. Teachers' Day was organized with great deal in the school. Teachers' birthday was celebrated delightfully in the school premises. Class 5 hosted a special assembly, a showcase of talent and learning. A grand magic show enthralled class 6 students with astonishing tricks. A series of events were organized under Swachhata Pakhwada initiative. Founders' Day of the school was celebrated to commemorate the founding of the school. Students brought laurels by winning various competitions. School honored the teachers for their achievements. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. The investiture ceremony 2024-25 successfully inducted the newly elected members of UPS Prefectural Board on July 16, 2024. The deserving young talents were honored with the badges. The school extended responsibilities to Ridhima Solanki of 12th A as the head girl and Pushkar Chawla of 12th B as the head boy. For updates in Hindi, let's turn to Kriti Bansal.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस का एक भव्य उत्सव यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल के प्रांगण में मनाया गया। प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी इस अवसर पर देशभक्ति के जज्बे से भरा हुआ था। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय को भी तिरंगे की झंडियों से सजाया गया था। निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य जी तथा विद्यालय में आए विशिष्ट अतिथियों ने राष्ट्रीय सम्मान के प्रति तिरंगे को फहराया। इस अवसर पर अनेक सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किए गए, जिनमें देशभक्ति के गीत, देशभक्ति के नृत्य, अनेक वक्तव्य और कविताएं प्रस्तुत की गईं। एक लघु नाटिका का भी मंचन हुआ। प्रधानाचार्य जी ने अपने वक्तव्य में विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों को स्वतंत्रता के महत्व के बारे में बताया और देश के विकास के पथ पर बढ़ने का संदेश दिया। यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में 3 से 8 जुलाई तक वन महोत्सव मनाया गया। प्रदूषण युक्त वातावरण में हरियाली फैलाने के लिए चलाए गए अभियान के तहत यह एक अनूठा प्रयास था, जिसके अंतर्गत विद्यार्थियों द्वारा पौधे लगाए गए। इस अवसर पर विद्यार्थियों द्वारा एक नुक्कड़ नाटक भी प्रस्तुत किया गया, जो एक व्यापक संदेश दे रहा था। आइए अब अंग्रेजी समाचार सुनने के लिए चलते हैं श्रद्धा बंसल के पास।
On August 23, 2024, UPS marked a significant milestone with the installation ceremony of Universal Interact Club, an initiative in collaboration with the Rotary Club. Director Principal Mrs. Maya Gupta, Principal Mrs. Monita Gopal, and Vice Principal Mrs. Divya Saxena welcomed the distinguished Rotary Club members with a planter, stole, and a set of books. A key highlight of the event was the pinning ceremony, where new Rotary Club members were officially recognized as honorary Rotarians. Adding a cultural touch to the ceremony, students delivered powerful performances, including the song Ped Lagao and a dance recital on Tick 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 Plastic Tick Na Pai, both reinforcing the importance of environmental responsibility. Universal Public School hosted Munexus 2.0 on July 18th and 19th, 2024, bringing together 168 delegates from 20 schools across Delhi and NCR to engage in thought-provoking global discussions. The event was graced by Dr. Malti Goyal, President of the Climate Research Institute, Delhi, as the chief guest who, along with other esteemed dignitaries, was warmly welcomed. Other distinguished guests included Mr. Rakesh Jain, Mr. Vinay Singhal, and Mr. Chandrasekhar Raghunath from Rotary Club, and many more. Principal Mrs. Monita Gopal welcomed the delegates, emphasizing MUN's significance in fostering diplomacy and problem solving among students. Following this, Director Principal Mrs. Maya Gupta and Secretary General Ridhima Solanki officially inaugurated Munexus 2.0, marking the commencement of discussions across 6 committees: UNGA, UNHRC, UNCSW, AIPPM, AISM, and IP. The second day of Munexus 2.0 concluded with a memorable closing ceremony celebrating delegates' efforts and achievements. The event featured a soulful choir performance of I Am Alive, followed by the felicitation of the Executive Board and an award ceremony recognizing outstanding delegates. Director General Ridhim Sharma expressed gratitude to the Chair and Secretariat for the support, while Director Principal Mrs. Maya Gupta and Secretary General Ridhima Solanki officially closed the conference, marking the end of a successful and an enriching experience. For more updates, let's hear it from Kriti.
अगस्त मास में विद्यालय में भगवान श्री कृष्ण के जन्मोत्सव को बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर पहले भगवान श्री कृष्ण की पूजा की गई तथा उनके प्रति भक्ति प्रदर्शित करने वाले वक्तव्य दिए गए। निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य जी ने अपने वक्तव्य में श्री कृष्ण के अवतार की महिमा बताई। विद्यार्थियों ने सुंदर भजनों तथा गीतों को प्रस्तुत किया। सुंदर नृत्य भी प्रस्तुत किए गए। सितंबर मास में यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में हिंदी दिवस सप्ताह का भी आयोजन किया गया। हिंदी को सम्मान देते हुए पूरे सप्ताह प्रार्थना सभा में हिंदी संबंधी वक्तव्य, समाचार वाचन, सुविचार, कविता वाचन, दोहा वाचन प्रस्तुत किए गए। अंतिम दिन कवि दरबार का आयोजन किया गया, जहां कवियों के पारंपरिक वेशभूषा धारण कर बच्चों ने उनके अंदाज में कविताएं गाईं। आइए अब अंग्रेजी समाचारों के लिए रुख करते हैं श्रद्धा की ओर।
A workshop is a space where ideas come to life. A workshop on attitudinal changes was organized for Class 8 students to address the importance of cultivating a positive attitude for personal and academic success. Universal Public School cadets participated in Combined Annual Training Camp 2024 held at NCC Bhavan Rohini from 7th to 16th September. The camp offered rigorous training in army disciplines such as weapon training, firing, map reading and tent pitching. Our cadets made remarkable strides at the camp, with Agamjot Kaur Saini being named the best cadet and securing the first place in the extempore competition. The UPS team earned the first place in both the line area and Nukkad Natak event while securing the second position in tug of war. Let's hear more news from Kriti.
सितंबर मास में ही शिक्षकों का अति महत्वपूर्ण दिन शिक्षक दिवस भी मनाया गया, जिसमें स्वतंत्र भारत के द्वितीय राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के व्यक्तित्व को याद किया गया। इस अवसर पर गुरु का महिमागान करते हुए वक्तव्य तथा गुरु वंदना प्रस्तुत किए गए। सभी शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं के सम्मान किया गया। इस अवसर पर एक सम्मान समारोह भी आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें विद्यालय की निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य जी ने एक वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत किया। इस समारोह की मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर मालती गोयल, जो कि क्लाइमेट चेंज रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट की प्रेसिडेंट हैं, को उनकी उत्कृष्ट शिक्षा सेवा के लिए सम्मान प्रदान किया गया। साथ ही अनेक विषयों में सर्वोच्च अंक लाने वाले विद्यार्थियों तथा उनकी विषय अध्यापिकाओं को भी चेक तथा शॉल देकर सम्मानित किया गया। इस अवसर पर 10वीं तथा 12वीं के छात्रों को भी आकर्षक धनराशि के चेक से सम्मानित किया गया। विद्यालय अपने शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं के जन्मदिन जैसी खुशियों का भी पूरा ध्यान रखता है। उनमें जुलाई से सितंबर मास के मध्य पड़ने वाले शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं के जन्मदिन को सामूहिक रूप से मनाते हुए केक काटकर तथा सहभोज के साथ मनाया गया। चलिए अब चलते हैं अंग्रेजी समाचारों के लिए श्रद्धा के पास।
Class 5th hosted a special assembly that captured the essence of core values such as gratitude, courage, bravery, and environmental conservation. Through a series of engaging skits, speeches, and creative presentations, the students demonstrated a remarkable understanding of these fundamental principles, highlighting the significance of these values in shaping a positive and responsible future.
यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल में सितंबर मास में स्वच्छता पखवाड़ा भी मनाया गया। हमारा समाज, देश, विद्यालय और वातावरण साफ रहना चाहिए, इसके महत्व को समझाने हेतु यह आयोजन किया गया था। इस संबंध में कक्षा 1 से 12वीं तक सभी कक्षाओं में साफ सफाई अभियान चलाया गया। प्रार्थना सभा में प्रदूषण पर एक प्रश्नोत्तरी आयोजित की गई। कविता वाचन द्वारा जागरूकता लाने का प्रयास किया गया। वक्तव्य आयोजित किए गए। 29 सितंबर को यूनिवर्सल पब्लिक स्कूल का स्थापना दिवस मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय में एक विशेष कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया। विद्यालय की निदेशिका प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती माया गुप्ता तथा चेयरमैन श्री आरजी गुप्ता ने माता सरस्वती के आगे दीप प्रज्वलित किया तथा प्रार्थना सभा में विद्यालय के क्रमानुसार विकास के अनुभव साझा किए गए। इसमें शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं के अभूतपूर्व सहयोग का भी अभिनंदन किया गया। चलिए अब अंग्रेजी में समाचार सुनने के लिए चलते हैं श्रद्धा के पास।
School hosted a spectacular magic show exclusively for Class 6 students. The young ones watched in awe as the magician performed fascinating tricks, sparking curiosity and excitement. The lively and entertaining show left the students mesmerized, making it a truly enjoyable and an unforgettable experience for all. Universal Public School recently organized a series of exciting events showcasing the talents and creativity of its students. On July 23rd, the much anticipated inter-house cooking competition took place, with students from 6 houses competing in 2 exciting rounds. The first round, Fireless Cooking, tested culinary creativity, while the second round, Who Am I, challenged participants' sensory abilities. The competition concluded with Gandhi House securing the first prize, followed by Sarojini House in second and Lakshmi Bai House in third. On July 27th, the Art Club hosted a poster-making competition where students from classes 6th to 10th participated in 2 groups. The students showcased their artistic abilities and posted a theme around patriotism and Janmashtami. On August 17, the Mehendi competition organized by Art Club saw a large number of participants from classes 6th to 12th. The competition was divided into 3 groups. Additionally, on September 10th, the school hosted an English writing competition for classes 6 to 8 to foster creativity, language skills, and critical thinking. The competition witnessed enthusiastic participation from students across various classes. The winners from each class were awarded certificates of excellence for their exceptional work. Universal Public School is proud to celebrate the remarkable achievements of its educators and students in recent events. On 16th September, Director Principal Mrs. Maya Gupta and Vice Principal Mrs. Divya Saxena were honored by Dainik Jagran at a prestigious ceremony held at the Lalit Hotel for their extraordinary contributions to education. The school takes immense pride in their leadership and dedication. In the realm of sports, the school earned a rolling trophy at the 7th RPM Udan Sports event held at Lovely Public School, Priyadarshini Vihar on 7 September 2024, winning the most positions in the event. Additionally, Sanvi Singh of Class 12C achieved an outstanding feat in CBSE cluster shooting competition by securing first position in the under-19 category. Sanvi also won the gold medal and will represent the school at national level competition in Bhopal. For more updates, stay tuned with us. Till then, goodbye.
नमस्कार।